Hi, it's Darnell with Waylo Recipes. I want to find out what happens when you put some jumbo baking potatoes in the NuWave Jubilee and try and basically press grill them up. We're going to see what happens with that right now. Alright, so what I've got here for this cook are two jumbo size russet potatoes, baking potatoes. I've got some extra virgin olive oil. I know this cook will be going above the smoke point, well above the smoke point of the oil. So I'm only putting a light coat of oil on them. I've used a fork to just poke some holes in the potatoes so that they don't like pop during the cook. And after I get the rest of this very light coat of oil on each, I'm going to put my, I got some black pepper I'm going to be cracking and some applewood smoked sea salt there. So just going to finish putting a little light coat of oil on each, just enough to basically just rub my hand with oil on top of both, and that's about it. And I'm going to put the spices on. I also have the meat probe for the NuWave Jubilee deep inside of one of these potatoes, inside of the largest one. I'm going to cook it to temp. Alright, now that I got my potatoes together, I'm going to start up the NuWave Jubilee. I'm going to up the temp to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the max. I'm going to hold the probe button to basically set a probe cook. I'm going to up the probe temperature to the max, which is 210 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to hit the preheat button. I'm going to hit start. I'm going to let things preheat, and I'll bring you back in a moment. Alright, the preheat is complete, opening up. And I'm going to put the potatoes on. I'm going to make sure that my grill plate comes up, the top grill plate comes up, and going to let it down right on top of the potato. So I've got it in there, you know, basically on top of both the potatoes. Hit start, and we see that the potatoes are at like 71, 72 degrees. I'll keep track of the time on this. Lord willing, we won't get too much smoke. I'll bring you back a little later. Alright, turn it off to stop some of the beeping, but basically 1 hour, 9 minutes passed for it to cook. We're going to open up, we're going to see if this is a squash mess or what we have in here now. Alright, they look decent. Now I'm going to use my instant read thermometer to check their temperature here. Go into this one, you can see it's in the 200s, 210. Perfect 210. This one here, like 209. So we're good. We're good to go. So I'm going to take this one, set it over to the side. This other one, going to get the probe out of it and set it over here. Alright, now I'm just going to basically split this potato open. Now that I got the potato open, I'm going to take some of my buttery spread here and put that inside my potato. I got myself a slice of Haverty cheese here. Just going to get that into my potato as well. Alright, I'm just going to basically let that kind of melt in there a little bit. Just kind of push it in, let it melt in some. So that's our completed baked potato. Well, grilled potato, I should say. Double grilled potato, since it's grilled on both sides. Just going to give it a little time to cool down from, you know, that 200 plus degree temp, and then we'll do a taste test. Alright, here's our potato, still piping hot some. And so basically I wanted to mention that There were no smoke issues at all. I mean, no smoke issues at all. The extra virgin olive oil I put on there, the smokeless grill, handled it very well. I mean, didn't have any smoke issues, and as you saw, even at the end, nothing as far as smoke. I mean, like during the start, there was like a little coming out, but really nothing. I mean, it really does a great job with smoke. And so, you know, potato took, you know, a little over an hour. Seems like no matter what cooker you use, big potatoes are going to take about an hour or so to complete. That's just the way it is. But with this, you've got grill marks on both sides. So hey, and you see that I've got like, you know, butter, cheese, or buttery spread and cheese inside of mine. Let me know in the comment what you like inside of your potato. Let's go ahead and try and taste this now. See that steam coming out of there? Do one more. Alright, that turned out very well. The NuWave Jubilee can do your potatoes. So you can definitely find this other recipes in written form at superwaveovenrecipes.com if you ever want to print them off. You can also come directly to this YouTube channel anytime to see videos at waveovenrecipes.com. Just go to waveovenrecipes.com in your web browser. It'll bring you right to this YouTube channel. Also, I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. Also, you can find referral links for this and other cookers in the video description. You pay the same price and you help this channel. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments of course, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.